Hello children, how are you? ପିଲାମାନେ ତୁମେମାନେ ସବୁ କେମିତି ଅଛ? ତୁମେମାନେ ସବୁ ଘରେ ଅଛ? You are all at home. Do you play at your home? ଘରେ ତୁମେ ଖେଳୁଛ? You have friends. ତୁମର ସାଙ୍ଗମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି. But there is no school today. ଆଜିକାଲି ତ ସ୍କୁଲ ନାହିଁ. You are reading at home. ତୁମେମାନେ ଘରେ ରହିକି ପଢ଼ୁଛ. When you were coming to school, you were playing with your friends. There were so many games you are playing in the school. You play hide and seek, cricket, kabaddi, running and catching, and so many other games. But there is no school. What are you doing at home? ତୁମେମାନେ ସବୁ କ'ଣ କରୁଛ ଘରେ? କେମିତି ଖେଳୁଛ? In the game period, you get a chance to play with your friends. When your game period comes, you get a chance to play. But today, there is no school. You are not coming to school. How do you do? How do you play? You play with your village mate. When our annual sports comes, we play so many games, so many race. We run the race with much of interest. There are 100-meter race, 200-meter race, hurdle race, cycle race, and so many other races. You know, we play other games. You participate in the race. Do you remember? Now, this is the time we are going to read about race. Not race, a cross-country race. Our first lesson is cross-country race. We know about what is cross-country race. We run the race in a circular ground field. We run in a track. We call it race. When we run without track, we run across the village. We call it cross-country race. Today's topic is cross-country race. First lesson of our class 6 English book. Let's start. ପିଲାମାନେ ଆମେମାନେ ତ ରେସ୍ ବିଷୟରେ ବହୁତ କିଛି ଜାଣିଛୁ, ତଥାପି ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ପଢ଼ିବାକୁ ଯାଉଛୁ ତାହା ଏକ ମାରାଥନ୍ ଦୌଡ଼। ଏକ ମାରାଥନ୍ ଦୌଡ଼, ଏ କ୍ରସ୍ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ରେସ୍, ଯେଉଁଟାର ଯେଉଁ ଶବ୍ଦ ବ୍ୟବହାର ହେଇଛି ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକ ପ୍ରାୟ ପରିଚିତ ଶବ୍ଦ। ଯେଉଁ ଅପରିଚିତ ଶବ୍ଦ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଅଛି ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ନୋଟ୍ କରିନେଇଛି ଆଉ ତାକୁ ଦେଖାଉଛି। ତୁମେମାନେ ସ୍କ୍ରିନ୍ରେ ଥିବା କଷ୍ଟ ଶବ୍ଦ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ତୁମ ଖାତାରେ ଲେଖିନିଅ। First we shall read the book, then we shall try to understand. Page 2, lesson 1, a cross country race. Last year in the annual sports, we had a cross country race. 12 boys and 8 girls from our school took part in the event. They ran the race with a lot of interest. They reached school on a Sunday morning. Our physical education teacher blew the whistle and the race began at 7:15. The boys and girls started from our school gate. They ran down the road slowly. They crossed the bridge. It was over a small river. There was a boat under the bridge. Last year in our annual sports, in our annual sports ବାର୍ଷିକ କ୍ରୀଡ଼ା ଉତ୍ସବ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଇୟର ଗତ ବର୍ଷ ବାର୍ଷିକ କ୍ରୀଡ଼ା ଉତ୍ସବରେ last year in the annual sports we had a cross country race. We have लगे कि हमें वाक्य गठन करचु we had a cross country race. हमर गोटे दौड़ प्रतियोगिता होइतिला 12 boys and 8 girls from our school took part in the event. There were 20 students. How many students took part in the event? 20 students. 12 boys and 8 girls took part in this race. They ran the race with a lot of interest. With a lot of interest, they ran the race. Who ran the race? Participant. Who are the participant? 12 boys and 8 girls. बारह जन बालक आउ 8 जन झील आम स्कूल दौड़ प्रतियोगितार भाग नहीं बहुत आग्रह सहित यही दौड़ प्रतियोगितार अंशग्रहण करते दौड़ुले They reached school on a Sunday morning. On a Sunday morning, they reached school. ସେମାନେ ଆସି ସ୍କୁଲ ପହଞ୍ଚିଲେ ରବିବାର ଦିନ ସକାଳେ our physical education teacher. ସବୁ ସ୍କୁଲରେ ଆମର ଫିଜିକାଲ ଏଜୁକେସନ ଟିଚର ଥାନ୍ତି ଯାହାକୁ ଆମେ ପିଟି ବୋଲି କହୁ ଫିଜିକାଲ ଏଜୁକେସନ ଟିଚର ଆମ ସ୍କୁଲ ମାନଙ୍କରେ फिजिकल एजुकेशन टीचर नथांती हमर प्राय समस्त भाई माने खेलांती फिजिकल डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन करांती तो देयर इज नो फिजिकल एजुकेशन टीचर इन आवर स्कूल आवर भाई ब्लू द व्हिसिल एंड द रेस बिगेन at 7:15. Quarter past, half past, quarter to, 5 to, 5 past. टाइम एक्सप्रेशन आम या पर बुझा केमती इंग्राजी रे टाइम एक्सप्रेशन करा जाए परवर्ती क्लास रे में पढ़ा बर्तमान जानी था ये क्वार्टर पास्ट 7:15 है began at 7:15. The race began at 7:15. When did the race begin? The race began at 7:15. How many students take part in the race? 20 students. How many girls? 8 girls. And how many boys? 12 boys took part in the race. Who blew the whistle? Our physical education brother blew the whistle. He gave the signal of starting. They crossed the boys and girls started from our school gate. Starting point is the gate of our school. Starting point थिला हमर स्कूल गेट रु हमर रेस आरंभ हैला When we run the common race, we run in a track in our field. But in the cross country race, we have to run along the road and we have to cross many villages. The boys and girls started from our school gate. They ran down the road slowly. They have to run so many ways, so many kilometers. They crossed the bridge. It was over a small river. Here was a there was a boat under the bridge. The boys and girls participant crossed the bridge. They started their race first. Then they ran down the road slowly. Slowly they ran down the road. Last year, ଗତ ବର୍ଷ ଆମେ go up, go down, went up, went down ପଢ଼ିଥିଲୁ. ଏବେ ran up, ran down ପଢ଼ୁଛୁ. They ran down the road slowly. They crossed the bridge. Who crossed the bridge? Participant. Crossed the bridge. Bridge. There were bridges in the road. They crossed the bridge. It was over a small river. What was over a small river? The bridge was over a small river. The bridge was over a small river. There was a boat under the bridge. What was there under the bridge? There was a small boat. There was a boat under the bridge. Is it a small river? Yes, it is a small river. So, boys and girls crossed the bridge. There was a boat under the bridge. How far is the river from the school? It is not far. It is near the school. It is only 1 kilometer from our school. It is only 1 kilometer. How far is it from our school? It is only 1 kilometer from our school. Now the children ran past village Isapur. ପିଲାମାନେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଇସାପୁର ବୋଲି ଗୋଟେ ଭିଲେଜ ଅଛି ତାକୁ ପାରି ଯାଉଛି. The participant, the students were running. They ran across a village named Isapur. They ran past the village Isapur. Which village did the participant run past? The children ran past the village Isapur. Then they came in the woods on the hillside. There is a hill nearby. The children came to the woods on the hillside. Woods କହିଲେ ଆମେ ସାଧାରଣ ଭାବରେ ଜଙ୍ଗଲକୁ ବୁଝିଥାଉ। ଏଇଠି ଉଡ୍ ପାଖରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ବି ଅଛି। ଆମେ ସାଧାରଣ ଭାବରେ ଉଡ୍ କହିଲେ କାଠକୁ ବୁଝୁ। ଉଡ୍ କହିଲେ କାଠକୁ ବୁଝୁ, ମାତ୍ର when we add s यार माने बदली जाए, तो इट मीन्स कौन जंगल हो जाए। जमीती गुड कहले भल, गुड्स कहले जिनस पत्र, सेमती वुड कहले काठ, वुड्स कहले जंगल, फॉरेस्ट। There was a woods nearby. The student ran across the woods. A zigzag path went through the woods. What is the path like? The path is zigzag. Zigzag कहले अंका बंका, अंका बंका, zigzag, zigzag line, straight line, zigzag line, straight सीधा, zigzag अंका बंका. A zigzag path went through the woods. There were lots of trees and bushes all along the path. Suddenly, the children saw a mongoose. It came out of a bush and ran quickly across the path. The students were running through the jungle. Suddenly, they saw, they looked, a mongoose came out from a bush and ran quickly across the path, across the road. ପିଲାମାନେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ଭିତର ଦେଇକି ଯାଉଥିଲେ, ରାସ୍ତାଟା ତ ଅଙ୍କା ବଙ୍କା ହେଇଥିଲା। ସେଇ ରାସ୍ତାରେ ଗଲାବେଳେ ସେମାନେ ଦେଖିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ନେଉଳଟେ ଗୋଟେ ବୁଦାରୁ ବାହାରି ପଡ଼ିଲା ଏବଂ ସଙ୍ଗେ ସଙ୍ଗେ ରାସ୍ତା ପାର ହେଇକି କୁଆଡ଼େ ଚାଲିଗଲା। It was 7:30 then. It was 7:30 then. ସେତେବେଳକୁ 7:30 ବାଜି ଯାଇଥାଏ। ମୁଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବି କେତେବେଳେ ଆମର ରେସ୍ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା। When do the race begin? When did the race begin? The race began at 7:15. Now it is 7:30 then. Within 15 minutes, the children ran across 1 to 2 kilometers. The runners left the woods behind. There was a vast green field in front of them. After jungle, a green field came. The children came across green field. They saw green field. They went through it. They were going through it, running through it, and reached the outside of Kishanpalli village. First, they ran across a village named Isapur. Then, next village they came across called Kishanpalli village. They came across the second village, Kishanpalli village. Is this village very far from Isapur? No, it is not very far from there. It is only 2 kilometers away. Kishanpalli village is 2 kilometers from our school. The students ran across Kishanpalli village when it was 7:30. They ran past the village pond in the Kishanpalli village. They ran past the village pond. Then came they then they saw a fisherman was throwing his net into it. A fisherman is throwing net into the pond. They saw. Who saw? The children saw. Who were the children? The participant. 12 boys and 8 girls. They saw a kingfisher and a kite were flying over the water of the pond. A kingfisher and a kite were flying over the water of the pond. Who were flying over the pond? Kingfisher. Why? Why the kingfisher was flying over the pond? It is a bird. The bird eats fish. So, to eating fish, it is flying over the pond. A kingfisher and a kite. They flying over the pond. Soon the children ran past a tea shop. Soon children came near a tea shop. A tea shop is by the side of the road. The children ran past the tea shop. The owner of the tea shop was a good old man. There was an old man who sells tea in the tea shop. He was a good man. How old was he? He was 60 years old. That old man was 60 years old. He was a very good man. He saw the children and called out of them. When he saw the children, he called out the children to, to have tea, to have biscuits. He called, come, come, have some cakes and biscuits. But the children did not stop. Why? Why the children did not stop? Because they were running the race. It was a competition. It was a quarter past, it was a quarter to 8. What was the time then? It was quarter to 8. 8ଟା ବାଜିବାକୁ 5 ମିନିଟ୍ ଥାଏ। ତ ଏଇଠୁ ଆମେ ରଖିବା, ପୁଣି ନେକ୍ସଟ ପିରିୟଡ଼ରେ ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ପଢ଼ିବା। ଆମେ ପ୍ରଥମେ କେତୋଟି ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ ପଢ଼ି ଦେଇଥିଲେ, ଆଉ ପଢ଼ିଲୁନି, ସିଧାସଳଖ ପଳେଇ ଆସିଲୁ। ପଢ଼ିଦେବା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ। How far is the river from the school? It is very far. Is it very far? No, not far. It is only 1 kilometer from our school. Now the children ran past village Isapur. Then they came to the woods on the hillside. A zigzag path went through the woods. There were lots of trees and bushes all along the path. Suddenly, the children saw a mongoose. It came out of a bush and ran quickly across the path. It was 7:30 then. The runners left the woods behind. There was a vast green field in front of them. They went through it and reached the outside of Kishanpalli village. Is this village very far from Isapur? No, it is not far from there. It is only 2 kilometers away. Oh, it is only 2 kilometers from village Isapur. It is 3 kilometers from our school. 2 kilometers from village Isapur, and Isapur is 1 kilometer from our school. So Kishanpalli is 3 kilometers away from our school. Then they ran past. They ran past the village pond. A fisherman was throwing his net into it. A kingfisher and a kite were flying over the water of the pond. Soon the children ran past a tea shop. The owner of the shop was a good old man. How old was he? He was 60 years old. He saw the children and called out of them, come, come, have some cakes and biscuits. But the children did not stop. Why did the children not stop? Because they were running the race in a competition. It was a quarter to 8. Then it was a quarter to 8. ସେତେବେଳେ 8ଟା ବାଜିବାକୁ 5 ମିନିଟ୍ ଥିଲା। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ଆମେ ଆଜି ପାଇଁ ଏତିକି ପଢ଼ିବା। ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ କ୍ଲାସ୍ରେ ପୁଣି ଦେଖା ହେବ। ବାଏ।